Dear students, in this video, I'm just briefing of which transaction should be recorded in which book. Okay. So here starting with this illustration 15, which is very important, but because this transaction, the questions in this book has been taken last year for the examination purpose also. So here we can see from the following transaction, prepare purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, and sales returns book. They have said that we have to prepare those 4 books only. Okay. So bought 5 dozens of accountancy books from Archana stores. So here it is not a cash transactions. We are considering this as a credit transactions, and this should be as they are specifying it is bought. That should be in a purchase book. Okay. Next on third, sold 60 management books to Chetan stores. Sold means here sales book. Okay. It's not a cash transaction. Hence we are recording that in a sales book. Next, purchase 50 economics books at 70 per book from Amar bookstores and less 10%. Less 10% here is a trade discount. Okay, that is less trade 10% is a trade discount that we need to record in a purchase book. Next, bought machinery worth rupees 4,000 from Ganesh stores. Okay, so here machinery has been purchased. Okay, machinery is an asset and we are not recording cash transactions and the asset transaction in the books of purchases, sales, purchase return and sales returns unless it is a furniture store. Okay, furniture business, but here it is not a furniture business. It looks like a bookstore. Okay, stationery store. So buying a machinery is an asset. So next return, so we are not recording the transaction, okay, in the purchase book. Next, return 5 accountancy books to Archana stores. So this is a purchase return. So what the accountancy books we had purchased 5 dozens. Out of that, 5 books are being returned. That means one book is 120 rupees. 5 books is around 6,000 rupees something. I want no, 600, 600. 120 into 5 books is 600 rupees. Yeah. So next, sold 10 dozens of notebooks to Triveni stores at 12 per book. So this is obviously a sales transaction. Next, Chetan stores returned 4 management books. This management books which we had sold to the Chetan stores that should have that has recorded in sales book. Now that should be recorded in a sales return. Now bought goods worth rupees 1,800 from Anil stores. Uh, Purchases. This is a purchase book. Next, returned 8 economics books to Amar stores. This is a purchase return. Next, sold goods worth rupees 4,000 to Balaji stores. This is a sales book. 120 English books sold to Ganesh stores at 240 per dozen. See, 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces, right? So 120 English books means how many dozens here? 1 dozen includes 12 pieces. 12 pieces into 10 dozens means 120 English books, right? So here 120 divided by 120 divided by 12, 12 per dozen is equal to 10 dozen books we have purchased, out of which each dozen is 240 rupees. 10 dozens into 240 rupees is 2,400 rupees should be recorded here in the sales book. Okay, sold to Ganesh. Next, goods of 400 sent back to Anil stores. That is purchase returns from Anil. I think in previous transactions, somewhere we have purchased goods here. Bought goods worth rupees 1,800 from Anil stores. Now we have sent 400 worth of goods back to him. That is purchase return. Sent credit note to Balaji stores for rupees 500. Debit note is issued in purchase return. Credit note is issued in sales return. So credit note sent means this is a sales return transaction. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this. Next, we go to this transaction, this illustration. Enter the following transaction in proper subsidiary book and post them to ledger On January 1st, bought goods from Girish. This is a purchase book. Sold goods to Govind. This is a sales book. Allowance claim to Girish for damage. So here it is a damage. Okay, so now whom Girish, from whom we had purchased. This is a purchase return. Okay, next, goods sold to Parag, sales book. Goods sold to John, sales book. Bought goods from Sachita, purchase book. Return inward from Parag, return inward. Inward means what we had sold is coming back to us. Return inward means sales return. Okay, return inward means sales return. Return outward means purchase return. Okay, sales return. This is return inwards means sales return. Okay, return outwards means purchase return. Next, sold goods to Sanjeev. This is sales book. Bought goods from Abhishek. This is purchase book. Received goods returned from Govind means here what we had sold to Govind has come back. That is sales returns. Okay, next, purchase goods from Vicky, purchase book. Return goods from Sanjeev. Uh, uh, Return goods from Sanjeev. From means we have received it back. That means sales return. Bought goods from Prasad. This is purchase book. Allowance claim to Abhishek. Abhishek, who is Abhishek here? Let's see. Here, bought goods from Abhishek. That is, we had purchased. Allowance claims means here purchase return. Okay, so this is about this question. Which books we need to prepare. Next, going to this transaction. See here, this question was given in the previous year question paper. Purchase from Pati Silk Kendra, 100 silk sarees at 250. This is purchase book. Purchase from NSR and Company, 200 Kanchi sarees at rupees 1000 each. Purchase book. Sold to Kumar on account. Here, the thing is, we had discussed that that should go to a this one, bills receivable account. But I got to know now that only the transactions where bills are prepared, like negotiable instrument, bills of exchange, checks related things, where bills is drawn or bills is prepared, that should be recorded in the bills receivable or bills payable account. This we are recording only in the all these transactions, whatever they have given, are recorded in the purchase book, purchase return book, sales return books only. Okay, so this sold means sales book. Claimed for damages from Pati. Here we had purchased goods from Pati Silk, so we are claiming for damages from Pati means this is a purchase return. Next, the return damage goods to NSR means we had purchased from NSR Company and we are returning the damaged goods to NSR Company means purchase return. Again, purchase from Sudarshan Silks is a purchase goods, and here we need to deduct the trade discount at 10%. Next, sold to Kala, and that trade discount here again, that is a sales book and trade discount should be considered. Sold to Kusum sarees, that is a sales book. Kumar returned 10 printed sarees and 20 kanchis, this is a sales return. Return to Sudarshan Silks, this is a purchase return, and we have to consider less trade discount at 10% again. And return from Kusum sarees, 10 handloom sarees, this is a sales return. Okay, next, purchase from Nandi Silks, 400 Nandi brand sarees, this is purchase book. So this is about the subsidiaries book of Saree Shop.